All right, welcome to another edition of Bitcoin Billionaire, where we teach you how to make money by trading crypto. So let's take a look at where we are right now. We are now at 41,900, and you can see here this green line. We've been rejected over and over again by this resistant line, and we are getting lower highs, as you can see here. And we're also getting lower lows, you can see here. So where are we going to go? And the question is, how far are we going to go down? Watch this entire video to find out. And if you like this channel, then make sure to subscribe so you can keep getting tips on how to make money from this channel. So let's get started. Right now, we are on our way down. We might bounce and go down. Then the question is, well, how far are we going to go? Well, to understand how low we're going to go, you have to understand that a lot of people have been talking about a crash, including Warren Buffett, who's considered one of the best traders in the world. And about 4 weeks ago, he said that there are indicators, okay, that signal that the stocks are way too expensive and a crash may be coming. And now we've already seen the markets already starting to go down. Let me show you. So this right here is the S&P 500. And I'm going to just show you, like I showed you this yesterday, I'm going to not spend a lot of time, but we had support all throughout this bull run. Unfortunately, the S&P 500 broke the support and went down, and it actually broke this yellow line, which is very important, because if we're getting a lower low, then this is a sign of a current crash. Now, the question is, if the market crashes, okay, and every day is going to open in a couple of hours, we'll find out how far it's going to go. But right now, it's holding support, but the question is, are we going to crash? And let me tell you something. When the markets crash, when the S&P 500 will crash, you can guarantee that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will also follow the markets. Okay, one of the reasons is because there's a lot of people who are leveraged in the markets, and when they lose money, they have a call to pay back the loss. So what they do is they sell their crypto. So in history, every time we had a market crash, Bitcoin followed. So just looking at this graph of Bitcoin on the 4-hour candles, you can see a playbook that I'm going to play. And right now, I think we're going to probably go down to the $38,000 level. That's probably where we are going to go right now. Now, the question is, are we going to bounce and go back up from here? And that's a very strong possibility. But here's what you need to understand. It's also very possible that we don't hold the support and we go back to the $30,000 zone. Now, if we go back to 30,000, you don't want to open a leverage trade here, okay? That will not be very good. So my strategy is I open a spot trade right here, okay, with about 50% of my money, my assets. However, if we break support, then I want to open a leverage trade here with BYBIT using 5x or 10x. Now, if you don't have a BYBIT account, you can go on the comment on the description, and you can click the BYBIT to open your leverage account. And that's what I've used to make money with leverage. So you can click this link here. It says open your BYBIT account. Click the description of this video. And then I would highly recommend you open a BYBIT account. That's how you can get rich, because on this BYBIT, it's one of the top trading accounts that I use to trade. And you can open 5x or 10x even with the money you have. And that means that if you make 20% from this trade, then you can double your money. Okay, it's because 5 times 20 allows you to make 100%, which is double your money. The other thing I highly encourage you, follow me on Telegram so you don't miss any of those videos, because every time I finish a video, then I will personally post on Telegram. So let's go back to this. So it's very simple. I will be basically putting 50% of my money as a trade here, right below here. And if it goes back up, that's okay. Then I can make money on that. However, if it goes down, that's okay too, because I'll put 50% on leverage here. I'll put a lot of leverage trade right here. Now, you may think you lose money by opening a trade here if it's going to go down. That's not true. Let me show you last time that happened. Here's what happened. We went all the way down. Remember, we were 50% down. And we bounced back up. And when we bounced back up, we went back to this zone here. So if you open a trade here, chances are you'll go back up. And when you go back up, you'll be able to close that trade without any loss at all. So you see, there's not much risk opening 50% of your assets here. Even if we go down, wait and be patient. It will bounce back, and then you can close your trades. Meanwhile, you're making 50% of your assets here with a 5x leverage on BYBIT, or 10x, whichever one you prefer. Okay, I usually go for 5x. Now, this is a good plan because you can see here that we have a lot of support. Over and over again, we have lots of support. This support has held very well at the $29,000 to $30,000 zone. So that's exactly how you can get rich. Either way, whether we hold support here or we hold support here, either way, if it goes down to here, you can make money either way. And that's a great plan because nobody knows for sure if this is going to hold or not, or if we're going to go down. But one thing we do know for sure, this is extremely strong support, and it's a perfect place to open a trade so you can get the rebound. And as you can see before, when we crash, we always rebound, okay? And we do it many times here. We held support until, bam, we went up. Now, I'll tell you a second tip here on how you can get rich from this. This $30,000 zone is a key level to buy and hold. Not only you can have a leverage trade on the first one, but it'll probably come back down and retest this. At that point, it's a good idea to buy and hold and just wait until you go to the $90,000 or $100,000 like level. Just buy and hold. And if you just do that, you can 3x your money. Okay? Now, without leverage, I'm talking on your spot trading accounts. Now, however, I will tell you that at this level, on the first or second bounce, I definitely will use leverage. Buy here, sell here. Buy here, and then sell here, right? So you could do that a couple of times. You can see here that you could buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here. On the third time, you don't want to do that. On the third time, you want to just buy and hold and ride it all the way up. Does that make sense? So, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can continue getting these tips. And make sure to open your BYBIT account as well so that you can trade on leverage just like I'm doing. And so if you like this video, press like for the algorithms. And I'll see you in the next video to help you trade cryptocurrency and reach your goals.